you. Are you kidding? Hey. Hey, buddy, you need to get back to your boat. So sorry. Kids, look away. This is supposed to be a PG tour. Oh no. Alright, just remain seated for me. Remain calm. Looks like we're gonna park here for just a moment. Oh no. It's taking the beer. This shark's working great for us today. Maybe too great. Didn't know what so good for Spielberg though. His shark, it was made and they tested out in fresh water. But the problem is they needed to take it out on location to the Atlantic Ocean to film. That's salt water, and apparently that shark was never meant to be used in the salt because on the very first day of filming, the salt corrupted the mechanics of the shark. It sank to the bottom of the ocean. It caused so many problems during filming that they were nicknaming their production Flaws instead of Jaws.